guys, welcome to Helios India. Today we are going to be cleaning these air joints for one of our clients, and we're going to be cleaning this with advanced sneaker grooming kit, which has got 3 brushes in it. One has got the soft bristles, the medium bristles and the hard bristles. It comes with 5 packs of sneaker wipes, the solution and the microfiber towel. So we are going to start by removing the laces of the shoe. Let's just go ahead and do that. And we're going to start cleaning up the shoe now. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the soft brush, the soft bristle brush, and we're going to remove the dust. So by doing this, we can make sure that all the hard dust particles and the big dirt particles move out of the shoe. Dip the brush in the water and we'll go ahead and take the solution, put it on the brush. We'll just put a little bit of it, just 1 or 2 pushes, and now we're going to start scrubbing the shoe. And now what we are going to do is wipe the foam off with the microfiber towel. Now we have covered the top part. For the midsoles, what we need is basically the medium bristles brush. So now again the same process. And then we're going to start cleaning the midsole part. Okay, so I'm now just wiping out the midsole part with the microfiber towel. There you go. Now we're going to brush the bottom part of it. In order to clean this, what we would require would be the hard bristle brush. So again the same process. So let's start by cleaning the hard part of it. I am going to wipe this part from the microfiber towel again, and let's see the difference. If you see, this part is all completely cleaned up now. Now I'm going to put the shoe down and let's move on to the final part of it. So in order to clean these, put the laces right in them and just wipe them. Okay, so that's our clean shoe. And now I'm going to show the dirty one. There you go. Do you guys see the difference? That's the clean shoe. And look at the amount of dirt we have taken out. That's just amazing. So that's the magic of Helios. Thank you so much.